Hey tech fans, welcome back to Future Technology. Today we're checking out the POCO X8 Pro, a mid-range smartphone that promises a lot on paper but does it deliver in real life? Let's find out. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you love tech reviews. Design and build. The POCO X8 Pro has a sleek, modern design. It features a glass front and back with a plastic frame, making it look premium. Without the premium price tag, the back has this glossy finish that catches the light nicely. It's a bit slippery though, so a case is recommended. It's relatively lightweight and comfortable to hold, which is a plus for long gaming or browsing sessions. Display. Now, the display is where the POCO X8 Pro really shines. It comes with a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen, 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10 support. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and scrolling feels buttery smooth thanks to the high refresh rate. Watching videos or playing games is a joy. It's bright enough for outdoor use, although under direct sunlight, you might need to max out the brightness. Performance. Under the hood, the X8 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 6 series chipset, coupled with up to 8GB of RAM. Day-to-day tasks like browsing, social media, and video playback are smooth. Gaming is surprisingly good too. Titles like Genshin Impact or PUBG Mobile run well on high settings, although extreme graphics settings may cause some frame drops. MIUI for POCO is feature-rich, but sometimes comes with a few pre-installed apps. Camera. The camera setup is solid for this price segment. It features a 1.8MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide, and 2MP macro camera. Daytime photos are sharp, vibrant, and full of detail. Low light performance is decent, though not perfect. It struggles a bit with noise in really dark conditions. Video recording is smooth, and the front-facing 16MP camera captures good selfies with natural colors. Battery and charging. Battery life is another strong point. The X8 Pro packs a 4,500 mAh battery, which comfortably lasts a full day with moderate to heavy usage. Plus, it supports 6.7W fast charging, taking the phone from 0 to 100% in around 40 to 45 minutes. So, if you're always on the go, this phone won't leave you stranded. So, should you get the POCO X8 Pro? If you want a phone with a premium design, smooth display, solid performance, and long-lasting battery without breaking the bank, this is a strong contender in the mid-range market. Of course, there are some minor compromises, like low-light camera performance and occasional bloatware, but overall, it's a great all-rounder. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Future Technology, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.